Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and for today I have a mini Tarte haul. I was talking about those in my last videos. So here are the products that I got from Tarte. As I said, they had a sale with buy one get 150% off. So because as I said in my last giveaway, everybody was loving Tarte products. I decide when I get something from Tarte for me, I will get, and I mean about kits with different samples, I will get also one for you. So you're gonna see those in a future giveaway. Also, you're gonna see those as usually. I'm gonna review them in the samples of the week video. So yeah, that's kind of all. If you are interested, I'm gonna leave the website down below if you wanna check them. They change all the time, the products and the kits. Also, I will talk about one of these in a little bit when I'll get to that point about prices. So here is everything that I have. As usually, they come very well packed in this paper. And of course in the pink and blue, the purple color, and this one is called Tarte Natural Artistry. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. So what I saw whatever when I got those items, what they had on the side was this kit, which is Tarte High Performance Naturals, and I hope it had another name. I don't see it here, but anyway, it looks like this. You have 4 lipsticks, and of course here is the second one that I'm gonna put in the giveaway. So I'll leave this one away, and I'll open this one to show you. It's called Mermaid Kisses Lipstick Set Collection. Here is the name, and let's see what's in this one. The packaging is beautiful as always. And let's go ahead and see what are the shades. Of course, those are deluxe samples or travel sizes. And the first one in here, I hope I can see. If not, of course, I have no idea what's the name of this shade because the print is so small. I'm trying to see here. Anyway, all of them are like this. Don't bother with this, but what I'm gonna do, I'll leave the information down below if you wanna check them, and of course the names of the products. Here is the first one, and as I said, this is my perfect size for a lip product, so those are great for me. Then the next one is this one, which is a little bit darker, and also let me show you on my hand what's the color of them. So this one looks like this. Here is the second one. It's a little bit darker. The first one was kind of a nude, a dark nude. This is a berry color, the second one. And let's see the third one. And also I will leave the prices. Here is the third one. This is a light nude, which looks like this. This small set can be a great gift for somebody, somebody who likes Tarte. This is going to be a great gift for them. And also, even those are small sizes, you can use a lot from them. So this is the last one, and this is more like a red color. It looks lighter on my hand, but in reality it's like this. So yeah, this is this set, which is called the Mermaid Kisses for deluxe sample lipsticks. I like Tarte lipsticks formula. I always enjoy them. So yeah, that's the first one. Then they sent me a sample, which is Tarte drink of water. This one, we just reviewed this one in the samples of the week, last week I believe, in another Tarte kit. And then what I got from them, I saw this one and I like it. I don't know why I keep buying nudes. I have ton of them. This one is Tarte Angelic Nude High Performance Naturals Amazonian Butter Lipstick, which looks like this. Of course they have tons of shades. And here is and let's see what's the color. It's very creamy. Is this one right here. I like this one. We'll see how this one works. Excuse me. So another thing in this packet was this one, which comes all the time when you try to buy something from Tarte. This one pops up at the checkout. It's $10. I don't think it's worth it, but anyway, I got it. So let's see. This one is called Pretty Paint Box Eye and Cheek Palette, and of course the packaging is gorgeous. And let's see how is this guy. It seems like my battery is almost gone, so I might disappear for a short time. Here is the palette, nice as usually. And here is the inside, really pretty. And we have a blush in the shade Abstract, and I think those are eyeshadows, the two of them. One is in the Fame and the other one is in the shade Design. I'm trying to see if I have any information here. Yeah, there are some information, but I don't see English. Anyway, it's cute, looks like this. As I said, I don't think this one is worth it's worth $10, but this is a full size, I believe, like a blush or deluxe sample, not quite a full size, but anyway, it's cute. I got this. So this was in the first pack, and let's see, I got two other kits. So it's the next one is Tarte Skin and High Performance Naturals. This is girls just wanna have sun, bronze and sunset, which looks like this. And of course I got two of them. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. Actually we have the Brazilians Plus and Self Tanner, Better Bud Bronze and Contour, Brazilian Self Tanning Face Wipe, and Amazonian Day Waterproof Bronzer. So of course in the paper everything is neat and very well packed. So this is it's a sample, is the Brazilian's Face Self Tanning, and I am so scared to use those things, but I might try them in a weekend when I don't have to go anywhere. The next one is Better Bud, if I'm saying right, and this one is Bronze and Contour, which looks like this. I don't know about reviewing this one because I don't know how I'm gonna look with this, but anyway, we'll try that, don't run away. And the third item is this one, and this is the Park Ave Princess. Anyway, it looks like this. I'm gonna try to wear those when I'm gonna do the review for those products. So if you see me looking like a clown, don't run away. It's just reviewing for those products. So the next one is Self Tanner Auto Bronzant. It's Brazilians Plus. So yeah, those 4 items in this kit. If you use them, let me know how they work, because as I said, I'm really scared to use those, but if it comes to review, I will. So this one was the second kit, and the last one, is this one, which is way bigger than the other two, and this one is called No Shower Happy Hour. Is that leisure essentials. Looks like this, and of course I got 2 of those, one for me, one for the giveaway. And also after I got those, I don't know how much were those, but I'll leave the prices down below if you wanna see what's the price and decide if it's worth it or not. But I saw this on Ipsy offers last week and was way cheaper than on the Tarte website. So yeah, sometimes, as I said before, on the ipsyoffers.com you can find great deals, and this was one of them. I think on the Ipsy offers was 15, and on the Tarte site was 21 or something like that. So it is a big difference. I would say $6, it makes a difference. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in this one. Of course comes in the paper, and I do apologize for the noise, because everybody tells me that it's not fun, especially for those who are watching on the phone or having the earbuds, and that's not nice. So the first product in here, it's Hair Goals. It's a dry shampoo. I didn't have idea that Tarte has hair products. This is the first time when I'm coming across with one of them. We'll try them and we'll see how this works. It's a good size, even for a deluxe sample. And I don't know if this one is a deluxe sample or not, but it's a good size. Then we have here, I wish to be able to read this. It's hypoallergenic, without aluminum, and I believe this one is a deodorant. I should have here, I know I have somewhere on my tablet all the informations. So we have a dry shampoo, we have this one is Clean Queen vegan deodorant, so also great size. Glad to have this one to try it. And then we have here, this one is Insinkful, if I'm saying right, Amazonian clay 12 hour brush. And this one looks like this. It looks more like a bronzer than a blush, but we'll see how this one works. Then we have here Tarte Guard 20 SPF 20. This is a tinted moisturizer, which looks like this. And this one is in the shade medium. And the last thing in here, it's Tarte Yes by Tarte, the deluxe sample. I don't see any shade here. It's a gloss lip paint, and let's swatch this one. Is this one here. So it seems like my camera is blinking because the battery is already gone. Those are the products in this haul. Was a mini haul, but I wanted to show you. So we'll decide which one we'll put in the next samples of the week video. One of them is gonna be anyway. The video will come out tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you very soon with let me know what do you think about Tarte and their kids, the mix of the products that they have. If you got them before, how they work for you, what do you like from those kids. And yeah, that's kind of all for this video. I will see you very soon with another video. It's which is gonna be a new series. And also, if I'll get some boxes today, I will film them for sure, and I'll post them when I'll be able, because as I said, I have problem uploading. Actually, I have problem with my computer when I have the editing program. I'm not able to edit. I don't know why. It's just something from my computer, not the program, the editing program. I might need a new computer, and we'll see. But if you see that I'm disappearing, you know why. So yeah, I'll do the best I can to get a new one pretty soon. So that's kind of all. Thank you so much for stopping by again. Thank you so much again for all your comments. And also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.